Today's episode is 98's reaction to Bang's snore gets replaced with number block 52 snore, and this video has been requested by Johnny Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
What's up guys? This is 98. I'm going to do a reaction on Bang's snore gets replaced with number block 52 snore, but it's a bit too long for a snoring clip, because there's some conversations going on. But anyways, let's get on with that reaction.
You know I don't like calling other names. Call me Dad Apping or something.
I don't care. I'm going to make you snore like a number block 52 in Tokyo.
Seriously? You just want me snore like number block 52. You know I don't want to get recorded by boys.
Well, it's snoring time. Sleep tight.
That's way too long for a snoring clip. Let's skip the rest. Thankfully it ended. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 125.